Hi, this is Calvin with Hill Country Building and Renovation, HCBR, Texas. Today I am in Buda. We have a metal building project that we're doing here. This is at a residential property. There's a house over here. And so we do a lot of these for storage, shop space, and miscellaneous things. So this is a metal building. We have this is a carport out in front, and we do use cedar posts when we're asked to do that. And just to kind of walk around here, this is what the inside of a metal building looks like. That white sheeting you see there is actually fiberglass insulation that has a plastic jacket on it, and that's kind of the finish on the inside. And it's an R10, somewhere between R10 and R12. This is a mezzanine. This provides more space for storage and so forth. And as you can see on the roof, we have the same type of insulation. So it does give some insulation against the Texas heat. It's always a good idea to have a back door. You open up these doors, if there's a little bit of a breeze, it cools off really nice. So, and we always do a apron or a ramp on the back door so you can get in and out. So you can get to the chicken coop. And let me see, the other thing that you will see here is, you can see up there on the roof that we have cables that strengthen the structure and provide some shear on the roof and actually the whole structure. So over here we have an overhang. This is kind of a patio porch, and it opens up to the backyard. So they're gonna kind of hang out here and have some outdoor living space. And this door here is going to be a glass door, and which will be really nice. So this space underneath here, where there's no metal siding, what we do is that we invert the siding and we put it on, so it's backwards actually, but that is because we're going to have stone all along here and across the front. And as you can see, there's the stone lug down there about 5.5 inches. And so the mason can attach their fasteners to the metal, and the metal provides a nice rigid backing for the stone veneer. So this is a kind of a technical project for the plumbing and electrical, because right now the pressure tank for the well is out here. The well head we poured inside, we poured around the well head when we poured the slab. So that tank is going to be moved to the inside of the building here. And you can also see the plumbing coming up through the concrete there, because over in this area here where it's covered with tarps is the water softener and the water filtration equipment. It used to be inside a shed that was rotting and falling apart, but it was in the way for the building, so we took it apart but left enough of it to be able to continue to house the filtration equipment until we were able to move everything inside the building. So it's kind of a real technical operation. Sequence is really important here. So on the electrical, yesterday we had the electricians out here, and they built the rack And the service is going to change from a 200 amp service to a 320 service, which provides two 200 amp services. One, the panel on the right hand side will go to the house. The panel on the left hand side will go to the shop. The middle panel is the meter loop. That's where the meter will be. And out there at the street in the front is where the power is going to come from, and it will be trenched from that pole out there across here over to here. Then we trench from here across the front of the building over to the house to power up the house, and then it'll take a right hand turn and go over there by the well, and that's where the panel will be for the shop. The reason why we're doing that is because this pole here ended up in the driveway, and the owner didn't want to really move that pole, but you just can't have a pole in the driveway. It just will not work. So anyways, this is our project, and we're probably within 30 days of finishing it up, and I'm just going to get a shot on the outside here of this side. As you can see that the overhang on the patio the roof is a little lower than the main roof. So it's really a nice looking building. So this is the kind of thing we do. We do steel buildings, we do homes, we do sweat equity homes. You can see what that's all about on our website at www.hcbrtexas.com. And so what's your next awesome project, and how can we help you out with that?